for 90 be mosquito. Make it be mosquito. I hurt you.
Are you out of your mind? Try this nonsense again. I'll just slap out 7 colors from your eyes.
Your mates are out there buying good cars for their wife. You need not bamba
Of my mind that woke there. If not because of me, won't you still be in that slump where I took you out from?
You go out there, have drinks and food with your friends to your satisfaction, and then you come back and make my food a playing object.
Okambo, I beg you, don't eat this food.
Any widow that the member dies, 25 million. I have to turn for you to understand. 25 million naira.
Let me tell you, be doing all this nonsense. If you die, we'll give your wife 25 million. One year, you cannot eat your money raw. You can only eat by enyendeba and everybody will be happy.
You don't eat my food, you don't touch me, you don't do nothing. And you expect me to just sit down and watch like a 23-inch television, right?
You now have Jota, where you write down your sex life. Eh? On Monday you tick, on Wednesday you tick.
You ought to be grateful to God after all the evil you committed. And it is that evil that is stopping me from going back to him.
Until you are ready to liberate yourself from the bondage of poverty and slavery, then I'll know you are ready.
Since we've been apart, this house is not the home. I feel so empty, I feel so alone. But no matter how long we fight, 2 wrongs won't make a right.
She knows too much, and she could be a threat.
What are you doing?
But I don't want you to know that I miss you.
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.